How to turn off notifications in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to disable them fully or turn off alerts from specific apps at once. First, click the Start button at the bottom left of your taskbar and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Notifications on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top labeled Notifications. Turn that off to disable all notifications from every app at once. If you'd rather keep some notifications on and just turn off specific apps, leave that toggle on and scroll down to the list of apps underneath it. From here, find the app you want to silence and click the toggle next to it to turn its notifications off. Following this, if you want more control over a specific app, click on the app name instead of just toggling it. This opens detailed options where you can turn off notification sounds, hide them from the lock screen, or stop them from appearing as banners on your screen. Once you've made your changes, everything saves automatically. That's how you turn off notifications in Windows 11. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!